Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee and this is the Optimistic Network. Today we're kind of doing a little in the kitchen. So we are making fried cauliflower rice and this is so tasty, you guys. We're gonna start by heating up some olive oil, and I didn't measure it. I just put a little in the pot, but I'm doing 1 bag of cauliflower rice, and it all depends on how much you're using, but I don't use too much grease because I don't want it too greasy. I cut all these things and just keep them on my cutting board because I wanted to cut down on the amount of dishes that I use. So I have a little garlic, about a small jalapeno, some yellow bell pepper, and some white onion. I added the garlic to heated olive oil and I kind of just let it fry up a little because I want my oil to kind of suck up that fragrance or that taste from the garlic and give the fried rice a little garlicky taste. So I kind of let the garlic fry a little bit. I added my jalapenos, my yellow bell peppers, and my onion to the oil, and I let it fry up no more than 2 minutes, stirring occasionally. I did all this on high because it's a quick process. I didn't leave my stove. The whole process of this took me like 11 minutes. So it's very quick, and I didn't let it fry up more than 2 minutes because I don't want the onion, garlic, jalapenos, and pepper to get real soggy or soft. I just want it kind of like a little crunch in it. I then added 2 eggs and stir to scramble. I kind of let them heat up and form a little coat before I started stirring into them. So after I added the eggs, I scrambled and scrambled and scrambled until it was a little dry. I didn't want it too wet because I feel like I hate that rawness from eggs when it's scrambled wet. So I didn't want it wet. So I kind of scrambled until it was mostly dry. It wasn't fully dried, it was mostly dried. Then I added this riced cauliflower. I got it from my local grocery store, but you can get cauliflower riced anywhere. So I added that to the egg and stir. I mentioned that I had it frozen, so I took it out the freezer the night before and put it in the bottom of the fridge so it could thaw. I then seasoned my egg, cauliflower, the fried rice with some Creole seasoning. I use it instead of salt. I love this seasoning. It gives everything a good taste. Used some crushed pepper and all my Miss Dash seasoning. As you can see, I showed you all of them. And one thing I did different from before, I added a little soy sauce. I found the low sodium one, and that's the one I added. Just a little tip. I didn't think it make a big difference. Feel free to skip that soy sauce step unless you really like soy sauce, because like I said, it didn't make a difference. Plus it's more salt you're adding, and that Creole seasoning already have enough salt. After I added all my seasoning, I left it on high and I stir continuously just to get all the seasoning blended, because remember it's cauliflower rice, so you want all the seasoning blended for the taste to come out. I stirred continuously for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then I just turned my stove off and it was ready to eat. This is a very tasty, low fat, next to no fat meal, and it's very, very, very healthy, guys. So I hope you guys will try this and leave a comment below and tell me how you like it. Another thing I must mention, there was little to no prep work. All I had to do was break the eggs, cut up the garlic, the jalapenos, the onions, and the bell pepper. Serve this up with some curried shrimp with squash, iceberg lettuce, and avocado. So thank you guys for watching. I love you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.